Good evening. It's a matter of pride and privilege to be amongst the Rotarians in the capital city of India, New Delhi. Thank you very much for your invitation to be amongst you. My opinion, the Rotary emphasizes the ideals of service, commitment, and also dedication. First of all, I'm very thankful to the organizers of this meet, KPN Nagendra, then KPN Nagesh, and I know a lot of Rotarians from Bangalore and down south. So, in fact, I just heard the vision and also the commitment and the various plans Mr. KP Nagendra had, Nagesh had for this next year. Actually, I've been associated with Rotary for nearly 15 years as a cardiologist, as a director of India's largest cardiac hospital called Jayadeva Institute of Cardiovascular Sciences at Bangalore. In fact, I'm very much impressed with the very title of this program, Rotary Tejas, Wings of Change. That very title is really catching. So this is where I have to congratulate our convener, KP Nagesh. That is a wonderful title. The title matters most. Why I am telling title matters most? See, one author has written a book, just on a lighter vein, How to Change Wife in 30 Days. So, based on the title, 3 million books were sold in just 30 days. Then actually, he corrected himself. Then, because based on the content of the book, that was not the correct title. The actual content of the title should have been How to Change Life. But only 3 books were sold. That's what exactly matters. The title is really catchy, it's meaningful because the Rotary Tejas, because India's fighter plane is named after Tejas. India's fighter plane, which is manufactured in the city of Bangalore, is Tejas. Recently, Government of India has given order for manufacturing 97 Tejas fighters to HAL in Bangalore at a cost of 62,000 crores rupees. That is one. Then wings of change. See, that also has got a lot of meaning. A bird actually sits on the branch of a tree without knowing the strength of the tree, because birds never believes on the strength of the tree, but it believes on the strength of the wings. So rotary wings are very strong and it is going to fly sky high. See, it all depends the way we associate with any organization, the company we keep. For example, if you are very much associated with teachers, then we always feel we should become students. If you are associated with scientists, you always think we should become researchers, innovators. If you are associated with the drunkards, then we always think life is very easy, world is very near. If you are associated with administrators, then we think world is very slow. World is very slow. If you are associated with real estate people, then we think whatever higher qualifications we have acquired is a waste. If you are associated with LIC people, then we think that time has come, you have to go, better to go. But if you are associated with Rotary and Rotarians, then it really ignites that we should do something for the country, something for the community. And that is the beauty of the company we keep. That is very, very important. In fact, God cannot come and serve the needy, but He sends some designated people to this earth to serve the community, to address the needs of the needy people, and to wipe out the tears of the sufferings. So, in my opinion, Rotarians are the God sent ambassadors to this nation. God sent ambassadors to this. See, I'm a cardiologist. From as a cardiologist, if you ask me to speak, heart, if physically if heart is small, then we say it is a healthy heart. Physically, if heart is small, then we say it is a healthy heart. But philanthropically, socially, culturally, heart should be big. In my opinion, all Rotarians have physically small heart and culturally, spiritually, and also service wise, you have got a larger heart. Because heart is a greatest philanthropic organ. Heart is a greatest philanthropic organ because heart beats 1 lakh times a day and pumps nearly 6 to 7,000 liters of blood every day. Why I'm telling it's a great philanthropic organ? It uses only 5% of its blood for its own nourishment. 95% it distributes to the rest of the body. That is the reason I think Rotarians and Rotary has got heart. That is the beauty of Rotarians. See, another important thing, yes, we have been associated with Rotary, and also another word also is called the honor word has been used. See, honor and pride are totally different. Pride comes when you feel you have done something to the society. When society feels that you have done something to them, then it is an honor. So that is the reason every word is so meticulously planned. It is Rotary Tejas and Wings of Change, and also it is institute. So in fact, in Bangalore, we have been associated with Rotary for the last 15 years. And because of Rotary support, we have done more than 10,000 children heart surgeries with the help of Rotary. So this, we are very thankful to the Rotary because Rotary is doing a wonderful service in the area of health, education, drinking water, and also helping the specially abled community. So it is known for kindness and generosity. Kindness makes the person most beautiful, however they look like. So Rotary is known for kindness. Rotary is known for generosity. See, we always talk about beautiful faces. In my opinion, beautiful hearts are more important than the beautiful faces. But anyhow, Rotary, all of you have got beautiful faces and also have beautiful hearts. I'm very happy to say about this. So, another important thing, I was very much impressed when Dr. KP Nagesh was speaking. They have taken up a unique project of vaccinating the high school going girls between the age group of 12 to 15 years for cervical cancer. That is one of the greatest program that you have been addressing. My hearty congratulations to the Rotary for taking up that project, because that is one cancer that can be prevented by 90% if you vaccinate the girls between the age group of 12 to 15. In fact, as member of the parliament in our health committee, we have put up a recommendation to the union government, let this HPV cervical vaccine should be brought under national immunization program. Under national immunization program, that is one of the thing. Another important thing, I am very much impressed about the Rotary is just they are not giving donation and all. I have seen myself, with the help of Rotary Bangalore District 3190 and other Rotary, we have treated some international patients, patients from Ethiopia, patients from Indonesia, patients from Nepal, so many. See, what has touched my heart is they have virtually received patients in the airport. They have brought them to the hospital. They have escorted them back to that. So that is where probably their kindness and generosity is at its peak. So this is a very unique program. And see, these are the days of welcome if there is an income. These are the days of welcome if there is an income, because there is a generation change and the time has changed. And if you have money, people will tell you, how are you? If you don't have money, then they tell, who are you? So in these days of commercialization, industrialization and digitalization, your commitment to serve the needy, serve the downtrodden is really appreciable. I'm extremely happy to be associated with you. In fact, I have some anecdotes that exactly fits into the Rotary theme and the Rotary concept. That is, dedication is more important than designation, sincerity is more important than seniority, values are more important than valuables, mindset is more important than marks, efforts are more important than the results, loyalty is more important than royalty, proper work is more important than paperwork. All these things are very much applicable to the Rotary. I'm very happy about it. As a director of Heart Institute, I coined three slogans, literally practiced these three slogans at our Heart Institute. Treatment first, payment next. Life is more important than the file. Humanity is priority. So during my 18 years as a director of this Heart Institute, we have treated close to 75 lakh outpatients and conducted 8 lakh operations. And nobody has gone untreated for the want of money, whether money, no money, documents, no document, insurance, no insurance. They were all treated. It was not all possible with the government grants alone. In fact, the contributions of Rotary and similar institutions, we could able to do that. Because by saving one life, you are not saving one life, you are saving the entire family. So that is the theme behind that. So this is one of the greatest meeting I've attended, because another important program, the Rotary is doing a dialysis program, because today chronic kidney disease has become a lifestyle disease, because high blood pressure and diabetes are quite common. If you look at the burden of lifestyle disease in India, 60% of deaths in India, 60% of deaths in India is due to lifestyle driven non communicable diseases. What are those? One is heart attack and brain stroke, second is high blood pressure, third is diabetes, fourth is stroke, fifth is cancer, and sixth one is being added to the list of lifestyle driven disease, what is called screen addiction and loneliness. Loneliness and screen addiction. 30 lakhs people die in India due to heart attack and brain stroke. Unfortunately, 35% of heart attack is below 40 years of age. Earlier, children used to bring parents for the treatment of heart attack. Today, parents are bringing their children in the age group of 20 to 40 for the treatment of heart attack, brain stroke, and also cancer. So this is where probably we need to take a lot of preventive measures. We always say, uh, you take care of six yes, six S: salt, stress, spirit, smoking, sedentary activity, and sugar. Sugar is worse than cholesterol. Sugar is worse than cholesterol. To keep your heart healthy, we have to keep five things as low as possible. One is blood pressure, second is blood sugar, third is cholesterol, fourth is waist circumference and body weight, fifth is very, very important: over ambition, over ambition, and over ambition. I think if you keep these five things as low as possible, certainly we can keep your heart healthy. And there's a very popular saying: all this is not enough. There is no happiness in medicine, but there is medicine in happiness. There is no happiness in medicine, but there is medicine in happiness. Lastly, there are 1 dozen doctors in nature. There are 1 dozen doctors in nature, or you can say there are 1 dozen non-medicine medicines. Non-medicine medicines. What are those? One, number one is your sunlight. Second is diet. Third is exercise. Fourth is smile. Sixth is fasting. Sixth is good sleep. Seventh is attitude of gratitude. Eighth is talking to each other than talking about others. Talking to each other than talking about others. Then ninth is fruits and vegetables. 10th is your own family. 11th is meditation and yoga. 12th is Rotary, Rotary, Rotary. It's also the Rotary and Rotary. In fact, Rotary, in my opinion, it is all about three H's, it's all about three F's, it's all about three S. What is three H? That is health, hygiene, and hobby. F is family, friends, and faith. Then S means service, soul, and smile. I think smile is the best cosmetic. Smile is an universal language. Whether you smile in Delhi or smile in United States, it conveys the same meaning. So smile is the best cosmetic. Smile is the best jewelry. Smile is an universal language. And that's what I have seen with Rotary people. They have smile, they have service motto, and their kindness and generosity is at its peak. So, in fact, Rotary is synonymous with friendship because there is robust data. Friends, if you have good friend circle, friendship, your lifespan increases by 10 years. All the more friendship has a greater value on lifespan and your survival as we age. After the age of 60 and 65, the friendship has got a positive impact on health. So, in fact, there are many type of friends, but what I am talking about is good friends. There are three types of friends. One group, there are friends who help you in trouble. The second one is they put you in trouble. The third one, they will leave you when you are having trouble. So, friendship is very, very important. So, Rotary is symbolizes friendship, symbolizes service. So, I think another important program you have taken, as already said, is uh, I mean, helping the cardiac patients, that to children. Why? I think I have asked many people, why you are only supporting children heart surgery, not adult heart surgery? The answer is there are many, for every 1,000 children born, 6 to 7 children will have heart defects by birth. So if they are corrected on time, then they will have a normal lifespan. That is one of the reason Rotary has taken this. So certainly, I am very thankful to Rotary for this invitation, and I have been seeing a lot of our Rotarians and Rotary governors from Bangalore in South India, as well as from, I was told even representatives have come from Nepal and Sri Lanka. My hearty congratulations for your wonderful service, because nobody is honored in this world for giving, but everybody is honored for taking. One person cannot help everyone, but everyone can help someone. So certainly, it's a great program. I'm very thankful to Dr. RID, KP, Nagesh, and also Kiran, and Rotarian Nagendra, and Sureshari, and all my friends. And I want to mention about one Mr. O.P. Khanna, who is, I don't know whether he is here or not, from Bangalore. See, what inspires me, at the age of 85 years, he comes and visits patients whom we have operated through Rotary, and he has given his pensionary benefits, he has given his entire salary. This is unbelievable, because see, anything if you are doing without expectation, without any expectation, that is the greatest service you are doing to this thing. So virtually you are the God sent ambassador. Thank you very much. And this is what happens. If you want to live longer, go on helping people, and there is no need to tell that I have been doing a lot of good things. Your work will always speak. So certainly, the way you Rotarians are doing, your signatures today, your signatures today is going to be an autograph for tomorrow. Your signatures for today's signature will become an autograph. So live long, live young. Thank you very much.